Hello viewers, this is Aravindar Anne Arut channel. Welcomes you. In this video we have to see India's first driverless train. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to flag off India's first driverless train on 28th December of this year. All details are explained in this video. The viewers are requested to kindly watch the full version of this video. Thank you for watching. Shall we go to the inside the video? India will soon get its first driverless fully automated metro train and which will be flagged off by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday, December 28th of this year. The announcement was made by the Delhi Metro Rail Corporation DMRC on Thursday evening. The train service will be operated on the Delhi Metro's Magneta line which connects Delhi's Janakpuri West with Noida's Botanical Garden line. Prime Minister Modi will also launch a fully operational National Common Mobility Card NCMC for travel on the Airport Express line of Delhi Metro, DMRC said. Some more information about the driverless train. The trials for the train were started along the 20-kilometer stretch on the Pink Line in December 2017. The trials were equipped with unattended train operations UTO and communication-based train control CBTC signaling system. Next, the automatic trains will only be limited to line 7 and line 8 of the DMRC network as driverless train operations DTO or unattended train operation UTO modes can only be implemented on lines which came up under the phase 3rd expansion as these corridors are equipped with the advanced signaling technology. The first driverless train will run on line 7. Moreover, the train will be controlled entirely from DMRC's 3 command centers without any human intervention. The communication-based train control CBTC signaling technology will also make it possible to monitor and troubleshoot every aspect of the train operations remotely, and manual intervention will be required only in cases of the hardware replacement. At the command centers, information controllers will handle the passenger information system as well as crowd monitoring. With the access CCTV feed, all rolling stock controllers will monitor train equipment in real time, download faults and other events captured by CCTVs, and assist traffic controllers in executing commands remotely. Next, DMRC has also engaged a consortium of Sistra MV and Sistra France for inspection and review of the entire system. Although initially drivers will be debuted for operating the trains, they would be gradually withdrawn to move to unattended train operation UTO. These new generation trains are suitable to eventually run on UTO mode, that is, train operators will not be required to operate these trains, and the Operations Control Centers OCC of the Delhi Metro system will directly regulate the movement of the trains, a DMRC official had earlier said. Each coach can accommodate a maximum of 380 passengers, which translates to 2,280 passengers in each train set of 6 coaches. The cabinless trains would be able to accommodate 40 commuters more in a 6-coach train, as the driver's cab will not be required in such trains. These trains would be more energy efficient than the earlier trains of the Delhi Metro because of improved design features such as better regeneration of energy during braking, energy efficient subsystem like a LED lighting and air conditioning system.